Welcome back to Joshua Kylan. In my previous video I did a teardown and assessment on this 1997 Husqvarna straight shaft string trimmer. I have gotten the parts. I've already put the carb in. I use the blue gasket. It's sort of the valve, the blue valve diaphragm for the carb. I also put the new metering diaphragm in there. I put some gas. I primed it already. I have not started it. All you do is take off the two air cover bolts, take out the two hex drive bolts that pull the whole assembly off. Then you disassemble the carb. There's one screw for the valve and 4 screws for the metering. It's already done. Let's see if this thing will start. Couple extra primes. Just to let you know, I did replace one fuel line in here from the primer back to the tank because I wasn't sure on that. I kept the original one from the carb to the primer because that was already pre-bent and it was a lot thinner wall than the fuel line that I got. Let's see. Might have to turn out the idle.
Got the thing going yet?
Almost. There we go, the primer's full. I might have flooded it. No wonder idle thing wasn't screwed in any. Got some life out of it. feeling the idle might need to be adjusted. Well, acceleration is better, but I need to work on the carburetor tune a little bit. I'll probably work on it more tomorrow. Yeah, so the rebuild was successful. You saw it ran it. It excelled wonderful, but now I need to adjust the tune because the gas that I'm using still has quite a bit of seafoam in it, so that could be the problem. I'm not totally sure. I'll do more tomorrow. At least now you know that the old diaphragm was what was causing it to bog down. Now I just gotta do more tuning on it. That's bound to happen. Well, I'm back. I just decided to go ahead and tune it right now. Yeah, I don't know why I decided to do it tomorrow, but I did it today, so there's somewhat of a little cold start. I didn't let it sit for a good couple hours. It's sort of lukewarm, sort of hot. I had to take out these two EPA things to get it adjusted properly, then I stuffed them back in. So it looks stock. Let's see if it'll start without any choke. Much better than before, so yep. Thanks for watching. Please comment, rate, and subscribe in the bottom of the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.